Top 5 apps to organize and share your travel memories.
Looking for the perfect way to remember and share your adventures? In this video, we'll explore 5 standout apps that make it easy to journal, store photos, and share your favorite travel moments with friends and family. Whether you prefer digital scrapbooking or instant sharing, these apps are designed to help you capture every memory.
1. Google Photos.
Google Photos offers seamless photo storage and organization. Automatically back up your photos and videos, create albums, and share entire trips with a single link. Its powerful search recognizes locations and objects, making it easy to relive memories. Plus, collaborative albums let travel companions contribute their own photos for a complete story.
2. Polarsteps.
Polarsteps is perfect for travelers who love visual storytelling. It automatically maps your journey using GPS and lets you add photos, notes, and highlights as you go. Share your entire trip with friends or keep it private as a digital travel diary. When your adventure ends, turn your journey into a printed travel book.
3. Journi Blog.
Journi Blog makes it easy to create a beautiful travel journal right from your phone. Add photos, map stops, and notes each day, then instantly share your stories with loved ones. The app automatically arranges your content into a timeline, making it simple to look back or export your entire trip as a photo book.
4. Tripcast.
Tripcast is designed for sharing travel experiences with select friends and family. Invite people to a private group where you can upload photos, post updates, and comment in real time. It's ideal for keeping loved ones in the loop without sharing everything publicly on social media. And albums can be easily downloaded afterward.
5. Evernote.
Evernote isn't just for work, it's great for travel journaling too. Organize notes, photos, scan tickets, and itineraries all in one place. Use notebooks to separate different trips and share selected memories or plans with others. Its flexible format means you can get as creative or structured as you want with your travel memories.
Start capturing your next adventure.
These 5 apps make it easier than ever to organize, relive, and share your travel stories. Whether you're on a solo journey or exploring with friends, try out these tools to create lasting memories you can revisit anytime and share with those who matter most.